If you've been waiting to start your business until it's the right time, this video is for you. I'm Sylvie McCracken from sylviemccracken.com, where I teach entrepreneurs how to create passive income with ebooks so that they can enjoy a little more freedom in their business and life. And today I want to talk about why waiting to start your business until it's the right time is a very big and expensive mistake. So here's the thing, it's never going to be the perfect time to start your business, and it's never going to be the perfect time to write an ebook. It's never going to be the perfect time to launch your program. At a certain point, you just have to do it and figure it out along the way. So I just read a quote today, actually, that said that entrepreneurs are people that jump off a cliff and figure out how to build a plane on the way down. And that really spoke to me because the truth is you have to figure it out along the way a lot of the times. You're going to learn by doing, not by sitting around thinking about doing. So that's actually one of the things that my mentor Marie Forleo says all the time. Her phrase is that clarity comes from engagement, not thought. And I think that that's really appropriate because a lot of the times we really just don't know. We have to put something out there, perhaps a blog post or a video, and see how it resonates. See if your ideal clients like it or if they have more questions. And that often kind of informs what path you're going to take next or what your next steps are, or if the product that you have in mind to create is going to be a good one and one that's going to sell well, or if perhaps your idea needs a little bit of refining. So I have another video that talks all about why it's important to kind of choose the right topic for your ebook, and you can apply that to any other product that you're making sure that that idea is solid before you move forward. The only way you're going to do that is by putting some stuff out there and seeing how it resonates, by asking your readers and your followers what they think and that kind of thing. So the other thing is, one of the things that people that are thinking about taking my course, Create Passive Income with eBooks, often say is, well, I don't have a big following yet, or I don't have a lot of readers yet, I don't have a lot of traffic to my blog, I don't have a big email list, so maybe I should wait until I have all of those things, and then I'll create an ebook, and I'll launch it then, and then it'll sell like crazy because I have a big following. And I think that that's a big mistake. And I've seen this in my clients, a few times that have not had big email lists and have not had a lot of traffic, and they've still done the work and they've still put an ebook out there. And honestly, they and I are both shocked sometimes at how well it does, because we're expecting it to get started and get that ball rolling off the hill and to take momentum as they build their following. But oftentimes you'll be surprised, because even if you have a small following, usually, first of all, that will inspire kind of that idea. You'll have kind of a beta group of people that are going to buy this ebook, and you're going to figure out if this was the right way to go and if you should create more of this kind of thing, or if you should, tweak your directions a little bit and figure out a different topic for your next ebook. And second of all, right now you have people coming to your website, not a lot of people perhaps if you don't have a big email list, you don't have a big social media following, and they're leaving with nothing to buy. Now, are those people going to come back later when you have that ebook a year from now and remember you and buy it then? Maybe they're one of your small, group of OG followers that are going to be with you for life, but the chances are they're not. The chances are they're not going to come back. They're going to go away and find someone else that has a product that is going to be the solution to their problem, right? So I think you should create it as soon as possible, whatever your product is. If you want to create an ebook, for example, and have it up for sale as you're building your following. So that's my 2 cents on that. And if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Come over to sylviemccracken.com and leave me a comment. Until next time, thanks so much.